It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity, and it is day 1 of phase 4 in Pasadena. So we are going to be redesigning the pool area on this trip up, and come on down with me and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So all around the pool, oh Charlie! All around the pool was grass, and it just wasn't thriving at all between the gophers, the dog, the heat, the soil. So our client had her gardener remove all of the grass. This is about 2,000 square feet. And my job is to come in and plant, as she puts it, gardens. So she still does want to retain some lawn. So the gardener will be coming back in when we're done and installing more grass. And I have to decide my margins. I have to decide where we're going to have grass and where we're going to have gardens. And you'll help me with this throughout these next few days because, as you know, I don't know until I get there. So as per my usual, I have more rocks and plants than I could use on 13 jobs. And we'll probably take a lot of them back home with me, but I just want to make sure I have enough for what it is that I want to do. So this area back here, she would like to see some decomposed granite. We've got a couple of points of access to the left and right over here that we need to allow for some pathway and egress. And then this little flower bed that we installed last phase, this is going to be, I'm going to come out more than twice as wide because this is the shadiest part of the yard and where I think the plants will do the best. So we'll be deconstructing this bed and moving all of the plants, adding new things, and just creating a completely different look. The edging will continue to be organically placed arroyo rock that will meet the edge of the lawn. So all around the concrete will be grass. How wide we go is really going to depend. Accessibility on this job is going to be a challenge. So basically what we're going to have to do is deconstruct an area of the landscape. So we decided we'd deconstruct right here because there's not really a whole lot going on. We'll move all these plants out of the way, and then we're going to dump all of our soil and our rocks down to here and then move them into the area. I'm not going to be doing a lot of aggressive mounding around this either because this has kind of that infinity feel. We've got the arroyo behind us and all of this magnificent borrowed landscape with all of the trees and the really, really straight lines of the home and the pool. So I don't want to compete too much with that. So we'll make it up as we go. I'm so happy that you all are here with me on this, what will be 4-day installation. So we're wrapping up day one, and this has actually worked out a lot more smoothlier than I thought it would. We started by dumping a bunch of soil. Actually, 4 yards have been moved from the driveway over to our planting area, but we left some here after we disassembled this part of the succulent installation, and then we just dropped rocks. We dropped barrel cactus. The guys in Hannah were able to even get the Bainsey eyes down through that way, and it's worked out great. Hi, Charlie. So this is what we've accomplished thus far. We've got our beautiful aloe Bainsey eye staged. The boulders that we had delivered from KRC are in place, and we started with the barrel cactus. This area is going to be a little bit moundy. I'm going to be putting a lot of dramatic larger plants back here. This is all going to be grass down through here, DG back there. You're just going to have to trust me on this one. But we're going to have a lot of space with which to plant. This barrel cactus that we put in last phase, I had it perfectly straight and it started turning for the sun. So I fixed that today too, because that was driving me crazy, and I feel so much better now. All right, so over here, egress. So this will all be decomposed granite up to about this point, and then it'll cut this way and then go back behind. Grass will run about 2.5 or 3 feet right along the edge of the pool. And then tomorrow, Greg will bring in more soil and more boulders. We'll disassemble this bed, integrate it into the new design, and just get on with it. So thanks for watching. Thanks for following. This is going to be insanely gorgeous when we get done. Look at that over there. It's been in for just a year. And this whole area around this pool is just going to be a succulent and cactus paradise. So excited. Thanks you guys so much for following, for subscribing, for sharing the video with other people that you think might enjoy them, for supporting my channel through your financial contributions, and for buying the crap in the shop. You all have a really wonderful day, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Bye guys.